Letter to friend apologizing for not attending his or her birthday party. First, write the address, name of city, date. My dear friend, I am writing to apologize for missing your party yesterday. I know you must be angry with me, but please read on and I am sure you will forgive me. I was all ready to come, but in the meanwhile, our grandpa had a severe heart attack. He was taken to a hospital. We all rushed there. After 8 long hours, he came to senses. We all thanked God. Now I was too late for party. Once again, I am sorry. I will come round and see you soon. With love, your loving friend XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.